Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple process of changing the displayed country under the About section on your YouTube channel. So, if you've ever wondered how to update that information, you're in the right place. Let's get started. To begin, head over to youtube.com and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your channel by clicking on your profile image in the top right corner and then selecting your channel. Once you're on your channel, go to the top right corner and click on Customize Channel. This will take you to the YouTube studio for your channel. From there, go down to the bottom left and select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Channel, and under Basic Information, you'll find the Country of Residence section. Here, you can easily change it to your desired country. For this example, I'll choose the United States. Don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. With that done, head back to the Channel Customization section and select View Channel. Now, navigate to the About section and under Details, you'll find the location information updated to the country you selected. It's that simple. And there you have it. That's how you can quickly change the country of your YouTube channel. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to assist you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. For additional YouTube tips and tutorials, check out the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.